Flash flood warning, another one! FFW. Wow, wow.
Warning for West Central Montgomery County in...
Oh. The tuner's all crapped on this.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches in 1 hour.
What?
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area.
That's crazy.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include
CL100 power
and Lake Conroe Dam.
and the
Turn around.
12519.
When encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Give me a double header. No.
Flood watch remains in effect until 7.
Okay, what's the point of a flood watch if there's a flash flood warning already? But yeah, flash flood warning.